So there's something that I've been noticing for a while when it comes to people looking to make money online, people who say they want to make money online, people who say they're entrepreneurs. And I see this trend of like doing a lot of watching other people, but not actually doing anything. All right. And it's like, it come to my attention. It's like people rather watch other successful people than actually become successful. We all do it to a degree, right? We all watch success stories. I mean, that's part of the reason why you get motivated, right? That's something to look forward to. But at what point do you stop watching successful people and you start doing the things you need to do to be successful? When do you become the success story that people watch? You know what I mean? At some point, we got to cross that line. You know, because I find myself a lot of times I'm watching, you know, Gary Vee. I'm watching Brandon Carter. I'm watching Chris Jones. I'm watching Grant Cardone. It's thousands of people who are apparently successful, who are apparently making all this money, living the lifestyle that we want to live, right? So if we're constantly watching these people, when do we do the shit we need to do to get our success, right? And it's just something that, you know, I ask myself. Not only am I making this video for you, if you're that type of person, but I tell myself this, right? And I notice a lot of people that just constantly talk about other successful people. Constantly, like, oh, so-and-so do this, and, you know, so-and-so did that. But I'm like, what the hell did you do, right? What are you doing? I think this is going to be, for a lot of people, including myself, like a wake-up call to be like, yo, it's time to start taking action. It's okay to get some inspiration from people, but at some point, we got to start doing shit. Like you have to, right? There's no way you can sit and watch Grant Cardone for 2 hours and then check your bank account and you see you just made $500 while watching Grant Cardone. Nah, that shit, it ain't gonna cut it, right? And this is why I keep going. I keep pushing, right? This is why I put out so much content, because I'm just not stopping. I got goals. And I gotta get to them. I gotta keep going. Oh, this ain't working. Oh, let me try this. Let me tweak this. Let me do that, right? Because I'm taking steps every day to get to where I want to be. At some point, you gotta slow down on watching other successful people and start doing the things that you need to do to be successful yourself.